And I forgot to mention, I did place something in the front, 2 little pop bottle caps, and then the word handcrafted along with some corrugated metal. There you go, that's the front. Oh, and the back is a rolling pin, so it acts like a handle if you were to pull down the back of it. Hello everyone, this is Miss Jones, your host at Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. Can you say hi, Legacy?
Hi.
We are making something cute today, and you might have seen these online or on Facebook pages or when you log into Pinterest, and that is called a Santa surveillance camera. Now, I'm using a real mock camera that actually has a motion sensor once the batteries are placed inside. I'm not going to decorate the camera itself because maybe later on in the future it might become a Easter camera or a heaven surveillance camera, something like that. So I thought I'm just going to decorate this cute little chalkboard that I picked up at Meijer's and just write North Pole and then place it above the camera wherever I set it. Okay, so let's continue with this cute little DIY, and I picked this up on Amazon, just so you know. Now let's get going. I have a chalk marker and I'm just going to write it out. So the T ran in the H when I lifted it up. That's okay. I want it to look a little like it's cold to remind who's ever looking at it. The North is cold. North Pole Cam. And that's all I'm going to do. And then I'm probably going to string this up or just place this up above the doorway. And Miss Legacy already picked this up and look at it. I didn't really explain too much to her. And she's 9, so she's not into that believable thing with Mr. Claus. However, she does know people live up in the North Pole. So, and we have cameras up around our house. And she has cameras up around her house. You know, regular surveillance cameras for the property. So she knows people use them. So anyhow, this is how I'm going to set it up. I have to wait for this to dry. This is chalk marker. And then once it dries, I'll put it up on the above the doorway. And then I'm going to place the dome right in the doorway. So 2 AA batteries and its motion sensor. So I'm going to place it right in the doorway or the hallway going in from the living room to the kitchen. It's where the girls will pass by it a lot. Well, the marker didn't dry as well. When I went to lift it up, the whole entire thing started to run. So I washed it all down, dried it, and I'm starting all over again. And this time I'm not going to be in such a hurry. I'm going to allow this chalk marker to dry completely. Yeah, it's okay. Here it is. North Pole. surveillance camera, motion sensor. You've seen it here with Miss Jones at Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. Share this idea. It's removable and you can use it for something else in the future. You didn't paint on the camera, you just painted on the sign. You can flip that sign around in the future, remove the little decorations I placed up there, and write Easter bunny surveillance or whatever you want to do. This is the basic idea. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time. Bless.